Hello friends, let's discuss about a very common thing, garlic. We should eat garlic or not? What is garlic? Its real name or scientific name is Allium sativum. Garlic is a small white round bulb of a plant that is related to onion plant. Garlic has a very strong smell and taste and is used in cooking. Most of the people eat garlic in different ways. Very few people don't eat it. So I can show you how we can easily peel it off. It's hard to peel off when it is dry. So I always do like this. I soak in water and you can easily, it becomes soft and you can easily peel it off like this. Garlic has some benefits and drawbacks too. Let's discuss those so that we can decide that we should eat garlic or not. First, talk about the benefits of the garlic. Firstly, heart health, we can say. Garlic may help low blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack. Immune boost. Garlic has immunity boosting properties and can help fight off cold and infections too. Thirdly, antioxidant. Garlic is rich in antioxidants and which can protect our cells from damaging, so it may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Next is anti-inflammatory. Garlic can help reduce inflammation in the body and so it is very useful. Now we can discuss about what are its drawbacks. Drawbacks like bad breath. Main drawback is bad breath. Eating garlic can lead to strong and persistent, you can say bad breath. Secondly, digestive issues. It may causes gastrointestinal discomfort in some people, we can say. Not in every people. In some people it happens like that. Thirdly, bleeding risk. Garlic can thin the blood, which may be a concern or connection if you are taking blood thinning medications. Next is allergies. Some individuals are allergic to garlic and may experience allergic reaction. These are the drawbacks and benefits. So we have to choose it's good for us or it's bad for us. I think it's good for me. So I take this garlic in different ways in my food. Remember that while garlic has many potential benefits, so it's essential to consume but in moderation. So I can suggest this to you. So rest is up to you. You want to take it or not. It's a very beneficial thing. I always suggest to you. Thank you.